Hello, I'm Sam. Welcome to the video walkthrough for Group 18 CA675 DCU Assignment 2. Our task was to build a web application using cloud data processing technologies. Our project involves two large datasets, one with over 200,000 tweets with the COVID vaccine hashtag, and the other contained links to news articles on specific dates. The idea is to display the most liked tweet on a specific date or containing a keyword, and to display a corroborating news article to see if there's any correlation between the tweet and that news article. We hosted a Hadoop cluster on the Google Cloud platform, creating a master machine with 2 worker nodes. From here we SSH'd in, we pushed our data to the master machine, and we configured a Hive table to process the queries on these datasets. We then created a web application using Flask. This Flask was deployed on the master machine using Apache 2. The application uses PyHive to run queries on the Hive table from the Hadoop cluster. From here, it converts it to a string to display on the front end to the user. I'll show you an example now. Let's try Christmas. Search. Now it's running the Hive queries, so it's not instant because it's a large data. It has to go through different machines. But it won't take too long. And there we go. So that's the Twitter username. The French National Authority for Health said has approved a vaccine developed by, and that's where it was sent from China. And this is a related news article on a specific date, Christmas Day. There's a lot of news. Something to do with Boris Johnson. I'll try with keyword now. Trump. He's a popular guy. And there you go. Speeding up COVID vaccinations. Will Biden's reversal of Trump policy hurt our help? Fauci hopes Trump will push his supporters to get COVID vaccine. I hope so too. So that is our project. Thank you for taking time to look at it. If you want to visit it yourself, it will be up here for a little period, but we don't want to cost too much money. So it'll be taken down sometime in the near future. Thank you.